जो जिसके लिए मैं आपके बीच में आया हूं, मैं आपके बीच में कुछ डॉक्यूमेंट भी लेकर आया हूं जो कि स्टैब्लिश करता है, टीएमसी और IVRCL का डायरेक्ट लिंक, और ये क्यों लिंक चल रहा था और उसके बाद उन्होंने इसको क्यों इग्नोर किया, जबकि IVRCL 2011 के अंदर CBI के रेडार में आ चुकी थी। ममता जी ने कहा था, डे 1 कहा था कि CPM ने ये अवार्ड दिया था IVRCL को, विवेकानंद ब्रिज, जिसको मैं आपके बीच में कहना चाहता हूं, दिस इज अनदर स्कैम जिसका नाम है सेतु गेट सिंडिकेट। सेतु गेट सिंडिकेट, आई एम गिविंग यू द नेम। और इसके अंदर जो ममता जी ने कहा कि मैंने ये कॉन्ट्रैक्ट नहीं दिया था, CPM ने दिया था, ये वास्तविकता है। CPM is also equally involved in this scam, क्योंकि 2009 के अंदर IVRCL was blacklisted and there were 2 deaths because of their negligence in Hyderabad. Negligence of IVRCL in 2009, they got blacklisted on a project, और इस प्रोजेक्ट के ब्लैकलिस्ट के बाद भी CPM ने IVRCL को इतना सीरियस प्रोजेक्ट दिया था। बट उसके बाद जब TMC की सरकार आई तो ये प्रोजेक्ट का रिव्यू भी हुआ था, और रिव्यू होने के बाद फिर भी इनको ये प्रोजेक्ट दिया गया था। उस समय ये कंपनी ब्लैकलिस्टेड ही नहीं थी, दे वेयर ऑल्सो फॉर सुनामी के प्रोजेक्ट के ऊपर जो हाउसेस जो बनाने का था, उसके अंदर उन लोगों ने जो घपले किए थे मटेरियल सप्लाई के अंदर, इनके ऊपर CBI इंक्वायरी भी इनिशिएट हो चुकी थी। ममता बनर्जी इन स्टेट वाज द चीफ मिनिस्टर, और रिव्यू करने के बाद IVRCL को ये कॉन्ट्रैक्ट दिया गया। नाउ द लिंक ऑफ IVRCL goes back to when Mamata Banerjee was the railway minister at the center, और उस समय एक प्रोजेक्ट अवार्ड किया गया था टू IVRCL जॉइंट वेंचर कंपनी इन व्हेन ममता बनर्जी वाज द रेलवे मिनिस्टर। प्रोजेक्ट का नाम है उधमपुर श्रीनगर बारामुल्ला टनल, विच इज टनल 74R, और ये प्रोजेक्ट IVRCL जॉइंट वेंचर को दिया गया था when Mamata Banerjee was the railway minister at the center. Commencement of this project started under another TMC leader who was the railway minister in December 2011, and subsequently there was another minister who was seen in the Narda case, Mukul Roy. He continued the project, but this project got terminated in 2014. It was terminated because the progress of this project was 10.64% of the contract when it got terminated in 2014. I'll give you all the documents. ये डॉक्यूमेंट आपके हाथ में दूंगा, ये मेरे नहीं डॉक्यूमेंट है, बीजेपी के डॉक्यूमेंट्स नहीं है. It will be given to you all. ये इरकॉन इंटरनेशनल के हैं. अब किसी ने कोई आरटीआई करके लोग बहुत निकाल लेते हैं कागज, तो ये आपके पास भी ये डॉक्यूमेंट आ जाएगा. I'll give it to you all. And please allow me to make my comment. Then you can ask me any question. This company got this award. Award was for 761 crores. Therefore, जो ममता बनर्जी कहती हैं कि हमारा इसमें कोई लेना देना नहीं है सेतु गेट के अंदर, तो IVRCL के साथ आपके संबंध जब आप रेल मंत्री थी, that gets established. So since then you knew about IVRCL, and therefore since then you continued, you stopped as a chief minister, reviewed. Maybe it needs an investigation, but there is a suspicion of quid pro quo that a blacklisted a CBI company because you knew as a railway minister, you continued with that company and gave that Setu gate which happened, the Vivekanand bridge. And that is our allegation. Mamata Banerjee ji, aap isse bach nahi sakti. And the reality is that आपके जो एक यहाँ पे कंटेस्टेंट हैं जिनका नाम है स्मिता बख्शी, जो कंटेस्टेंट है उनके रिलेटिव राकेश बख्शी, वो आज ओपनली उन्होंने एडमिट किया है कि उनको सब कॉन्ट्रैक्ट मिला था विवेकानंद ब्रिज का, एंड दैट इज द क्विड प्रो क्वो. उसके लिए प्रॉपर इन्वेस्टिगेशन होनी चाहिए, एंड इन्वेस्टिगेशन कैन नॉट बी बाय दोज हु आर इन पावर एंड वो अक्यूज्ड हैं. इसके अंदर पैसा लेते हुए नारदा के अंदर सोवन जो यहाँ के मेयर हैं वो देखे गए हैं, एंड ही इज ऑल्सो लिंक्ड विद द supervision, that is the KMDA is also the authority looking after the bridge, Vivekanand bridge. The minister in charge is Bobby Hakeem. He is also seen taking money. That is the reason why Mamata Banerjee is not asking for a CBI inquiry or even court monitored central agency inquiry. And it becomes serious because you knew the company IVRCL when you were the railway minister. Your other ministers continued subsequently, including up to Mr. Mukul Roy. उसके बाद कांग्रेस के भी मंत्रियों ने इग्नोर करा इस प्रोजेक्ट को, जो टनल का प्रोजेक्ट है श्रीनगर में. उसके बाद सीपी जोशी और पवन कुमार बंसल भी रहे हैं, and this project continued with this company IVRCL. Progress was only 10%, and therefore BJP डिमांड करती है कि इसके अंदर ममता जी आप अपना दामन साफ करना चाहती हैं और कहती हैं, एक तरफ नारदा में कहती हैं कि हम डॉक्टर नहीं थे, टेप डॉक्टर है टेप्स, आप सीबीआई की इंक्वायरी नहीं करवाना चाहती, और यहीं पर आप फिर से इस लोगों की जान चली गई और आपका लिंक IVRCL कंपनी से स्टैब्लिश हो जाता है. उसके बाद भी आप सीबीआई इंक्वायरी नहीं करती, ना ही कोर्ट मॉनिटर्ड करती हैं, क्योंकि आप कवर अप एक्सरसाइज में लगी हैं. सो राइटली यू हैव गॉन आफ्टर द कंपनी, यू शुड हैव गॉन आफ्टर द कंपनी when there was a CBI inquiry initiated in 2011, but you decided to give as railway minister project to them. You decided to continue with IVRCL on the Vivekanand bridge. These are our charges, and I will distribute this document to all of you so that आप लोगों के पास तथ्यों के साथ है.
Mr. Singh, the report you are quoting, this seems like some probe was ordered. So who ordered this probe? When was this found out?
Well, there is always the railway ministry does progress report. Now, the railway ministry maybe, the progress report is always monitored, which is the exercise by any government. And when they do this exercise, the minister of the day takes a call whether they should stop the work or they should terminate. But from 2011 till the completion date, when it was, the progress was only 10%. That means the various ministers of TMC, including Mamata Banerjee, who awarded, and then the Congress ministers came as a railway minister, ignored the progress and did not decide to terminate. When they were going out of power and there was literally no government because the Congress, there was elections in April 2014, at that point of time, it's a supremo is the railway board, and railway board rightly terminated this contract. So, the responsibility lies certainly with Mamata Banerjee and also the various ministers of TMC and Congress.
So you are claiming that she was aware of the company, and when it was stopped, when the work was stopped on this particular flyover, then she restarted the work.
Well, certainly we all know about it, that in 2009 the contract to a blacklisted company was given by the CPM government. That is in itself a question mark. Then there was a review, there was a stop for the project. Now, what are the reasons? They can justify it for on design or anything they can justify, but they continued with the same company IVRCL, which was not only blacklisted, but in 2011 there was a CBI inquiry against that company. But this company but had a link with Mamata Banerjee as a railway minister. So you have a link which I have now proved through the document that as a railway minister you obliged this IVRCL company, then subsequently you gave the contract after the work was stopped on Vivekananda to the same blacklisted company IVRCL as a chief minister. Also, the subcontracting has been given to nobody but Rakesh Bakshi, who is now known to be the nephew of Smita Bakshi, the candidate, TMC candidate of Joda Sako, where this incident has happened. Now there is no FIR against Rakesh Bakshi, Rajat Bakshi, and also there is Mamata Banerjee is diverting by saying this contract was given during the CPM time. Definitely CPM is guilty, but you cannot run away by saying that it was given, because it has been established that IVRCL was known to you when you were the railway minister.
This IRCON is involved in doing the technical planning for the tunnel?
Sir, IRCON doesn't do IRCON gets the project, then they call for the tender. Tender is given to various parties under a certain tendering norms. So this tender was given to IVRCL. Now IVRCL is a company which was blacklisted in 2011.
I have wondered, has IRCON made these observations in their document?
Sir, I will give you the document, please read it.
Sir, today
I'll just read out something to you, where they have given an adverse report, and they say, however, practically it was found that participation of the main JV partner of the joint venture IVRCL and KMB, particularly of KMB, was nil at the project site, and only IVRCL was working, and they failed to give required progress as per contract and as per their own program given time to time. Finally, due to slow progress, all key dates failed and agency almost stopped all activity. Physical progress achieved. The agency achieved 10.64% till termination of the contract on 11/4/2014. This is the IRCON document. Why they stopped?
Sir, today Congress Vice President Rahul Gandhi came and met the relatives of those who were injured, and he said that this is the time not to indulge in politics and to stand beside those injured.
Rahul Gandhi ji, entire politics is photo ops. So I will not criticize his photo op because he survives on photo ops. That's his political. Now, Rahul Gandhi ji must answer two questions. One, firstly, just to tell through you to Congress that our two ministers senior ministers were in Bengal on the day this unfortunate incident happened. हमारे गृह मंत्री जी राजनाथ जी was campaigning. I got in touch, he was in touch. Then he decided also not to come because rescue operation में जब कोई केंद्र मंत्री आता है तो बाधा पड़ता है and doesn't allow the rescue operation to go smoothly. But he was monitoring through NDRF and Army. NDRF and Army का ने कितना अच्छा काम किया वो आप सब लोगों ने उसकी appreciation करा है. And then we had another minister, Mr. Mukhtar Abbas Naqvi. We took a conscious decision not to go to the site because rescue operation फिर hamper होता है और आप लोग में से कुछ लोग press conference में भी आए थे, फिर press भी करें. That was how responsible a political party BJP is. राहुल गांधी जी फोटो ऑप की ले गए, जरूर गए, उनको स्वागत है, मगर राहुल गांधी जी को दो चीज का जवाब देना चाहिए. पहला जवाब कि राहुल गांधी जी आपके कार्यकर्ता जहां पर ये घटना हुई कल टीवी के माध्यम से हम सब ने देखा है कि आपके कार्यकर्ता झंडा लेके वहां डेमोन्स्ट्रेशन कर रहे थे और वहां पर जो रेस्क्यू ऑपरेशन चल रहा था उसमें बाधा पड़ रहा था. सो वेर योर वर्कर्स बीइंग रिस्पॉन्सिबल और इररिस्पॉन्सिबल? दैट इज माय फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन. सेकेंड, राहुल गांधी जी आप अलायंस में है सीपीएम के साथ बंगाल में. दिस कॉन्ट्रैक्ट वाज गिवन टू अ ब्लैकलिस्टेड कंपनी बाय द सीपीएम गवर्नमेंट इन 2009. व्हाई यू हैव केप्ट साइलेंट and your leaders are only attacking the TMC? Rightly you should attack, but your leaders should also make CPM responsible क्योंकि वो आपके अलायंस पार्टनर है. हम लोग बहुत दिन से ढूंढ रहे थे कि आप लोगों का केरला में तो कुश्ती चल रही है, you're fighting each other, बंगाल में क्यों दोस्ती है? उसका आंसर हम लोग को मिल गया कि करप्शन एक ऐसी चीज है क्योंकि एक ब्लैकलिस्टेड कंपनी को सीपीएम ने ऑर्डर दिया था और करप्शन में राहुल गांधी जी आपकी पार्टी तो माहिर है. 12 लाख करोड़ का भ्रष्टाचार आपने केंद्र सरकार में किया. तो द रियल रीजन ऑफ द अलायंस इज द करप्शन. That is the bonhomie between the CPM and the Congress.
Sir, another question there was, you said you alleged that there was some connection between...
I'm not alleging, I'm giving you documents, sir.
Yeah.
I'm not alleging, I'm giving you documents.
No, I haven't seen that, that's why I'm saying...
Don't use the word allege.
So will you be moving to the court to demand a civil...
What I understand that there is already somebody who has moved the court. There is someone who has done. And I pray, and the reason I use the word pray because ममता बनर्जी अपने उसके ऊपर तो सीबीआई इंक्वायरी करेंगी नहीं क्योंकि अब स्टैब्लिश्ड हो गया IVRCL से उनके संबंध. उनके जो नेता हैं उनके बारे में, उनके परिवार के बारे में भी स्टैब्लिश्ड हो गया. So therefore I say, I pray that court takes cognizance and order a CBI inquiry.
So can we say that you are making two very serious allegations? One is that she knowingly gave this contract, railway contract, tunnel making contract for 700 crores to this company. Number two, she got in her own men in touch with the same company.
Certainly I am, and I am giving with proof. These are not allegations, these are straight charges to Mamta Banerjee that you knew IVRCL when you were the railway minister and you continued with IVRCL despite knowing it is a blacklisted company and there is a CBI inquiry against IVRCL when you came as the chief minister to Bengal, and therefore she is accountable along with her own minister Bobby Hakim and along with her own mayor Sohan ji, and they all are equally responsible and accountable, and also the family member who's got the subcontract of this bridge. And therefore I say it's a huge scam and it is nothing else but Setu Gate. ठीक सर, आप लोग को ये कॉपी कभी दे देंगे। बांट दो बेटा।
Basically, your claim is that there had been a quid pro quo exchange between.
Sir, I have already said there has to be a quid pro quo. Quid pro quo कुछ नहीं होता।
Do you think the quid pro quo is so small for Trinamool just to give some contract to a nephew of a local?
सर, थोड़ा सा इसको इन्वेस्टिगेशन हो जाने दीजिए, then you will know the truth where and how the money is generated in these type of contracts. It is always done through labor or through material contract.
বসে দাও।